Here we go. A good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you're watching around the world. Welcome to Amp Barber. Now, today's cruise is going to be a combined of day one-ish. I'll explain later. Before we get started, we are on board the P&O Arvia. I know, I'm back in the land of the cruising. Now, I have to put a disclaimer out in this video. Last year I did do 3 videos on my P&O Ventura cruise, which did cause a little bit of upset with the community with my sense of humour. I've calmed down since then. I'm more relaxed, and I didn't realise, I was new to YouTube then, didn't realise copyright music and stuff, and I didn't realise saying silly jokes not acceptable, so I'm apologising straight away. I won't be that silly person. I'll give you a fair and honest walk around the ship, and we'll probably do about 6 videos. Without further ado, let's go and play the intro. Let's get moving forward with a purpose. There we go. As I said, we're back. So we have booked a standard. It's a standard cabin, Janice?
It's a balcony cabin.
Standard balcony cabin for this trip. So we did one last year with the Morella Explorer 2. Oh, announcement. No. Oh, announcement. I'm going to go and have a listen to what the captain has to say. I'm going to come back to you in a minute. First useful tip. Bring a doorstop, because all the announcements are outside. That was it. He said what he needed to say. So I said we were doing the Explorer 2 last year, so we went from Malaga to we were going to be stopping in Madeira, but we ended up stopping in Gran Canaria, didn't we? And then we went across. That was really good with TUI, but we weren't doing too much YouTube stuff then, so we're going to be doing this one. I'm not going to be doing I'm not doing a daily blog. We'll probably get about 6 to 10 videos of this. So our first one we're going to carry on and film tomorrow, when we've had a walk around the ship and we're familiar, and we get up after breakfast when it's nice and quiet and everyone's going to breakfast, and we'll have a nice quiet walk around the ship. But before we get started, we are in a standard balcony cabin. So what you get with your standard balcony cabin is you come into your cabin. Here we go. Let me spin this around now so I can see what I'm doing. Come into your cabin. First thing you'll find, you got hooks. Like the hooks. Hooks are good. Magnetic door. So when you go out in the mornings, you either go on exploring or take it easy. No, don't say that joke, and don't get yourself in trouble. I was going to say a joke using my key slot in there. Before we get started, and then we go right. This is standard balcony cabin. We've just had showers before we come on board, because we came from Littlehampton this morning. We've got the train here with the taxi. It's about £10 in the taxi from the train station. You can walk it, depends how heavy your luggage is. And it was raining, so we went for the taxi option. Shower, it was a lovely, nice size shower. Very, very clean and presentable. We got our shelves, my shelf, Janice's shelf. I don't know who he is. Whoa, he seems dodgy. Do not trust this man. So yeah, first impressions, really, really nice. First impressions of the layout seemed very, very similar to the Iona. And we've got a couch in here now. And over to our left, I bought, of course, you've got to bring the laptop with my microphones. Some storage for the videos, and that's my 302 device to record on my laptop. Bit of editing and a bit of self-promo there. And you get a kettle, and you get 3 plugs here, 2 UK ones and 1 European plug. So I brought a Euro socket with me, and I'll be plugged in the kettle into there. So we got one for the laptop, and we got another one for the hairdryer, which is in the cupboard, and other bits and pieces. So yes, you get tea and coffee facilities, a nice sized TV, very nice sized TV, and below the TV you get your fridge. And we bought some drinks on board, our legal quota, 3 bottles roughly between 2 of us. And we bought some extra mature cheese, because we do like, the cheese on board is nice, don't get me wrong, but I do like extra mature. Plenty of storage space. In the other cupboards, we got our first aid stuff and some nibbles, bought our own little bit of Marmite, as you do, and some peanut butter. That's just our personal preference, because we're quite sad like that. Bottles for the water. There are lots of water machines on board, so go and fill your water up. Phone in case you need a room reception, cufflinks, and a watch, because I'm going to be leaving my phone in the cabin. Extra storage down here, so we got some Ann Barber merch, some Ann Barber pens, some Tupperwares in case you go on any excursions for the day, and of course the umbrella. You need an umbrella. And your washing, because there is a laundrette around here somewhere, just got to find it. Gotta go to muster station, ask muster station A, then you go to my cruise and get all the useful information there. Nice size bed when you come in here, and there's extra pillows. They're nice. Extra plug socket next to the bed. What more can you ask for? So I've got my electric toothbrush, I'll be plugged into there, because it isn't a electric razor thing in the bathroom, which caught me out. And underneath the lights, USB. Cannot have enough USB ports. Look, we went for the left-hand side of the ship. We're on level 9. Level 8 is the walkway below us. If you get level 8 on the balcony, you can have not so much privacy as you would do on, say, level 9. And we wanted a bit of privacy. We've gone for the left-hand side because we did the cruise last year. And we spoke to lots of couples, and they said, go on the left-hand side when you're going across the Atlantic to Barbados, that area, because you're going to have the sun on the cabin all the time on the left. USB socket next to Janice's bed. Nice balcony size. Let's go and have a look outside. I won't say too much, because neighbours to know that we're filming. Of other ships in. Nice. Right near the front of the ship. Looking forward to that. Looking forward to that. There. This room is 9146, are we?
9146.
9146. I'll put that on the review, so if anyone's staying in 9146, you actually get to see which video it is. This is 6 minutes long as it is. I think I'm going to put this out as a single video, Janice, of the room. Yeah. 9146 room review, and you get plenty of things, space next to the side of your bed, so you can have your medications and bits and pieces. And there's both sides.
Say that under the bed you can store your cases.
Yep, as Janice just said, plenty of room under the bed, so store your cases underneath the bed, and then you provide that little nice little nest thing that goes on top of your bed that protects your bed from when your suitcase, so you don't mess it up. That can go under the bed as well. Very impressed with the amount of room for 2 people. This would be fine. If there's 3 or 4 of us in here, I think it'd be a bit more emotional. I do like that chair. We've got a washing bag. As I said, we haven't found the laundrette yet, but we have time. And we've got plenty of space, so nice double wardrobe there. So Janice has got all her stuff, and I've just tucked my suits in at the end. Plenty of space, and I don't know, they got the naughty. And there's your life jackets up there as well, and your laundry stuff if you want to use their laundry service. But I bought sheets. If you're going to go to the laundry, bring laundry sheets. Just the sheets. The laundry, the machines are about 40 minutes. They're free. There's an iron in there as well. 40-minute timer to do your washing, and then go back and put it on a 40 minutes for your dryer. But that's for another time. Plenty of storage space, as you can see. Like I said, it would have been a bit tight for maybe 4 or 3 of us in here. And then finally, the last wardrobe, and in the end, I've got my stuff in there. Look, the You can see we're going to the Caribbean. The very Larry shirts are out. And of course, the safe, which, that's it. And I've got extra storage, put my pants and socks on there. Brilliant. I think we're going to leave that today for our first video. I think I don't really need to do any more. This is going to be video number 1. And it's going to be a very short video. I'm going to be like introduced to the RVF. Some of you are probably going, why didn't we see you go through the port? I didn't want to, for the respect for all the workers at ocean, port, and everyone outside, and their privacy and security. I didn't want to film the check-in process, but I will say the check-in process was very, very smooth and efficient. We turned up on the train. We got a taxi very, very quickly. It moved twice, very, very quite smooth, quite quickly. It's less than £10. Like, we gave the guy a tip, and dropping our bags off to getting on the ship was under 15 minutes. Absolutely brilliant. Very, very smooth, very efficient. Great service so far, and what we've seen of the Arvia has been nice. Room wasn't ready, but we went up to 16 and had some snackettes. But we're going to go and walk now because we've got our complimentary drink. Always have a free drink.
Because we're on the Atlantic tier, that's why.
Oh, very good. So we're going to go and get our complimentary drink somewhere. And because we're Atlantic, very good. This is video number 1. Once we've explored this a bit, said we're going to have a walk around the ship. We've got the pendant with us. We've got the 360 with us. This is video number 1. I'm going to put this on my laptop later and label it up as video 1. I'm an Ant Barber. This is Janice. Please like, subscribe to the channel. And we'll be putting these out once a week. So next week you'll see us go around the ship, and we'll do maybe 10 videos. I'm not going to do every day because you may get a bit bored watching me line dance or playing cards or stuff. In the meantime, Ant Barber signing out. Thank you very much. This is room 9146. So if you're staying in this room, this is what you're going to get. Very nice. I'm very impressed. Take care, everyone. See you on the next one. Bye bye.